welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a little headlight restoration on my NC. We're not doing anything crazy. I'm not taking the headlights out, I'm just taking the lenses off, but we are going to do a little kit on it. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you've seen me do this on my other cars. I personally love the turtle wax kit. If you have been around for a while, like I said, I have done this on my MX-5, which I still have, and it has been about 4 years since I've used this kit, and the car's been living in California, outside in the sun, in the high desert sun, which is so intense, and there's only a minimal fogging after 4 years of doing this, 4 years after using this kit on those headlights. So it's probably about time to do those again too, but what my point is that this kit is really great out of all the kits I've tried. So we're gonna try and see if we can bring these headlights back at all. Hopefully one day we're gonna be doing the NC3 bumper on this car. So I don't exactly want to invest into new headlights or anything like that because I will need new headlights for that. So let's see if we can just make it a little more presentable. Let's get to it. Here's the before. You can kind of see because it was just raining on the headlights, like how bad it is. They're definitely yellow. They're definitely a little foggy. Okay, first up, we're just gonna do a little cleanse of the lens. Just make sure we get any dirt off and all that. I don't even know what this is. Why is that on there? Hopefully we can sand that off. Clean this off. There we go. Boom. Okay, all I've done is 2 times of the polishing compound, not even the full like kit, and look at the difference. Look at how much clearer and less yellow that is. Oh my goodness, wow. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do one more round of the lens clarifying compound on there and then move to the next steps because I really like how it turned out on the BMW when I did all of the steps. So I'm gonna do one more of this, just try and get any more grime off of there, and then we will move to the next steps. Okay, although I'm really happy with this look, if you get up close, which nobody probably ever will besides me, there's like a couple small spots that I think I'd like to just go a little further in. Obviously this just needs to be cleaned up with some of the compound residue, but I think I just want to do the next steps and get it even better. Look at the difference though. Okay, the next step is to use this little pad. It's like a tiny baby sander, and some of the lubricant and sand back and forth, not circles, back and forth on the headlight, and then you go 90 degrees the other direction with the other side of the pad. So let's get to it. Okay, so I used both of the little pads like the instructions say, and now we're gonna go back in with the clarifying compound. that says to let it dry and then wipe it off. Same thing on this side. Okay, so as you can see, it already looks better, but compared to the one that we did all the work on, you can see it's still yellow and a little hazy. If you look up close, like, there's some marks and stuff that could be polished out, so time for step 2. So the final step is this lens base coat and then the lens sealing wipe. Apparently you need to wear a glove for them, so they provide that, which is nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this base coat wipe. So the final coat is like a sealant coat, and it's supposed to help with future yellowing. And like I said, I did my X-5 4 years ago, and it's lived in the hot California sun outside, has never seen a garage. And I would say after 4 years, and if you know how yellow they were before, like, this is pretty good. I would not expect just a simple outside product, like not taking the lens off and super sanding it or anything like that, to last that long and keep it looking that good. So would recommend. It's making this car look brand new. Like, wow, I'm impressed. Okay, genuinely, look at the difference. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. It looks like a new car. I love it. Ugh. Wow. It looks so good and so modern. I'm so happy with this result. This 100% is not sponsored. This is just genuinely my experience. Turtle Wax, if you see this, I'd love to work with you guys because I have some more cars that need this done, and I've already proved how wonderful they are on multiple of my cars already. So I'd love to keep spreading the love of your products. But I hope you guys enjoy. If I can do this, and detailing and this kind of thing is totally not my thing, you can absolutely do it too. Peace out, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.